two different stuff in the freezers. Guys, welcome back to another video. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I got from the world, what's it called? I think it was called Asian market, yeah, I think so. And I thought, why not come on here and try them? I mean, yeah. Some things I don't have with me at the moment, but because they're cold, so yeah. But I have this whole bag, which isn't a lot, but it looks like a lot. And then I have 4 different drinks that we're gonna try and 2 different stuff in the freezer. So we have a lot to choose from, but it's not like overly too much, you know what I mean? Yeah, you get it. So out of this whole thing, let's see what we're gonna try today. And our selection is this. I saw this and yeah, I thought it'd be cool to try, considering there's a lot of different flavors that I have not tried of Lay's. And I mean, I'm probably not gonna like it, but I also might like it. It's the fun of trying stuff, you know? Trying new things, yeah. Alright, so this is gonna be really loud, but I'm gonna open it. Alright. Okay. Sniff test first. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, it smells disgusting. But we're gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna display my honest opinion. Let's try to find a small piece. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I gotta stop spilling it. Okay. Cheers. Boink. Oh. Whoa. Oh. So many flavors. Just one word to describe this chip, which is gross. That's the one word. Like, I didn't expect this to be good, but I expected it not. It reminds me of ramen. And to me, ramen as a chip does not seem appetizing. And this just reminds me of ramen. It tastes like ramen, even though it's supposed to be extra barbecue. Yeah. I don't know. I don't like it at all. But I don't want to waste a chip, so we're gonna finish it. We're so gross. So that's a definite no. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I should probably do the drinks first. Well, I should have done the drinks first, but... So yeah, we're gonna move on to the drinks, and then I'll save the rest of the snack stuff for after. So, this is one of the drinks that I got. I've never tried these before, and I've always wanted to try it, but with me, I'm very picky with food and drinks and stuff, so I didn't think I was gonna like it. But now is the first try it. Wait, how do you open this? Oh, wait. Oh, doy. Oh. That's not how you open it. It's getting all over me. Of course, I overcomplicate things that should not be complicated. There we go. Was that supposed to happen? Oh. How do you do this? Like, what? How do you open this? Oh, I'm weak. Like, does this just twist off like you would a regular? No, wait, how do you use this? How do you do this? Hold on, I'm gonna go get my other phone and I'm gonna search up how to do this because I don't know how to do this. Of course, I don't have TikTok on this thing, so I'm gonna have to do some Google searching. Or Safari searching, whatever. What's this thing called? What is it called? They should put direction. Oh! I'm dumb. There is... Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Okay, so how to open. Peel off the seal, lift off the green cap. What's... Oh. Is this the green cap? Because this is not green. I'm assuming this is the green cap. Push down the center to release the opener. What is the opener? Oh, wait. What is the opener? Ugh. Ow. That freaking hurt. Place the opener on top of the bottle and press down firmly with your palm. This thing? Or this thing? I guess we'll have to find out. I swear to God, if this makes a mess, I'm gonna scream. Oh, it says palm. That's not my palm. It's my hand. That's my arm. How do you do this? Crap. I don't know how to do this. I'm doing this blind. Like, how do you do this? Surely it's this thing, right? Oh my god, this is gonna take me away. I'm going, yeah. I was doing it right. So you stick this thing in here. How do you... Oh! So you do like that. Why does it not fit? Why does this not fit? Oh my god. Okay, this is not working. I'll be right back, guys. I can't do this. I figured it out. Well, no, I didn't figure it out. My mommy figured it out for me. But yeah. Thank you, mommy. But yeah, I got it. Yeah. So, and then you just open it. Or can I just drink it from here? Like, I don't know. Are you supposed to open this thing? So I guess you just drink it like this. Oh my god. That is strong. It's not sweet, it's strong. It's syrupy. I don't know if I like it. It's not as bad as the other one, but I don't know. It has a weird aftertaste. Okay, well, it's okay. Moving on, we have this one next. Actually, wait, I'm gonna put... No, I don't want to put this back in the fridge. I'm just gonna pull it out. And now we have this one. And hopefully this time I can actually do it. I struggle so bad with these. Actually, I'm gonna wait to open the rest of these and just drink this one. And then I'm gonna open the rest of the snacks because I don't want to have so many open bottles. So, cheers. Oh. Okay. I realize now that most of the stuff I got is Hello Kitty themed, so that's kind of funny. But this next one I'm gonna try is Hello Kitty Milk Soft Candy. Isn't it cute? So yeah, let's give it a try. Maybe this will help take the taste of the chips and the weird syrupy flake out of my mouth. Oh my god. I can't open it. Okay. Oh. This is weird. Look at this. Doesn't make much of a noise, but wow. That's not what I expected for gummy candy. Or not gummy candy, it's soft candy. This is soft, y'all. It's hard as a rock. Ooh. Never mind, it has some squish to it. Oh my god, that smells good. Reminds me of vanilla and caramel. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. Okay, cheers. Dink. Ooh. That's good. That's good. That's the inside. That is good. Wow. That is really good. I'm gonna have to have another one. By far my favorite. So far. We'll see. I have it all over me. I need a napkin. Don't ask why we have napkins in our bathroom. Or not napkins, but paper towels. But we do. Okay. Next up we have is this Hello Kitty strawberry dip biscuits. What is the dip? Strawberry. Yummy. Oh, yum. That's the first look. Yummy. Wait. Let's try the by itself. Okay. That's good. Now, time to try it with the biscuit. I don't know why they call it a biscuit, but yeah, biscuit. Look at that bite. Needs more. It's okay. The main thing I can taste is the biscuit. I can't really taste the strawberry, which is kind of sad, but it's okay. Yeah, but that's that. Next we have, this is not Hello Kitty, or this is not from the Asian market. I just saw it in my pantry and realized that I've never tried this before, and I thought, why not add it to the list of things to try? But I don't know if I'm gonna like this. This is what we're looking at. Wait, what's in this? Any peanuts? Oh yeah, I'm allergic to peanuts. And eggs, but I can have eggs cooked in stuff, so. But yeah, this has eggs, but it's fine. Cheers. really taste the raspberry. Kind of dry. Yeah, I don't like it. Got anything on me? Nope. I'll try. I officially hate that drink. Okay. Now we're gonna try. No. I'm gonna save it. Sorry. I'm gonna save the best one that I think is gonna be my favorite, new favorite, for last. Next, we're gonna try this Hello Kitty Coca-Cola hard candy. Oh. That's so weird. Look, it comes in a miniature baggie. That's so weird. What? That's not the shape that I expected. I didn't expect it to be hard either. No, if I thought the other thing was hard as a rock, this is hard as a rock. But, cheers. Oh my god. It tastes exactly like Coca-Cola. Oh my god. I don't know. I like it. Honestly, I had pretty good choices besides the chips in this yucky drink. So far, most of it is pretty good. Really good. Are my teeth blue? Yeah, they are a little bit. It's taking forever to eat, but I don't want it to fall out of my mouth. I wonder what it will taste like with this and this. Why do music ovens? Wait, actually, maybe not. Because I don't want to get copyrighted. Oh, I didn't realize I could eat it now. Oh well. Wasted all that time for nothing. It's okay. Okay. A drum roll for my favorite item that I think I'm gonna love. Pockies! Oh my gosh, I love Pockies. I love the chocolate ones with like the regular biscuits, but look, they have strawberry, and I love strawberry. I cannot wait to try this. If I don't like these, I'm gonna be shocked. Honestly. Oh my god, it comes with two! Yay! So when if I finish one bag, yeah, I'm done. I don't know why I'm so shocked. Of course, a box like this comes with two. Oh, look at how cute they are! Oh my gosh! Oh, I cannot wait. If I could open this bag any faster, I would. Okay. Oh, look at it! Oh my gosh! Has cute little specks in it too. Oh my gosh. I'm in Pocky heaven. Alright, cheers. Stop. Oh my god. This is so good. Number one. Like, which one did I put as number one? This one, right? move over. This is number one. By far my favorite. That was why I was so excited, because I knew it was going to be number one. Like, come on. Who does not like Pocky? I'm going to need another one. Yeah. I sound like a gremlin. Yeah. So good. Now, I guess the only things left to try is the dessert, and then the 3 drinks. Since I technically already almost finished the drink, I'm gonna go get the desserts. BRB. So, I got these. Hold on. It was hair. Got these thingies. I keep on seeing them on TikTok, people trying them, and apparently they're viral right now. I got 2, so we're gonna try them. This is the peach one. I honestly don't know how you eat these. Oh, it's like a popsicle or lollipop, whatever you call it. Cool. Okay. Does this come off? I guess not, no? So I just bite it? What? So cold. Oh my god. That is delicious. Oh my god. Oh. So cold. Very cold, but very good. Yummy. Here we go. Yeah. That's delicious. Obviously, I'm not eating both, but this is good. Man, so good. Now I see why these are popular. I feel like this would be. I feel like this would be better if I waited. Oh, it's melted. Melted. I feel like this one's definitely gonna be melted. But I'm gonna be so full after this video. My face is breaking out bad. Man, look at all the dots on my face. Of course you can't see it from here, but if you look close, dang. Excuse me. Lastly, now for the strawberry, and then the 3 drinks. Oh my god, come on. Alright, I'll take 1 nibble. Just to see how it tastes, and then I'm gonna put it back. Oops. Honestly, they're both really good. I think I like the other one better. Oh, I'm so full. Now for the drinks. Oh! I mean, I got it. I also got it all over my desk, my vanity, and on myself. Good thing I got these extra napkins. Are you serious? Okay, well. Cheers. Ew. I think this one may be worse. I'm definitely not gonna be able to finish that. Oh. Okay. Hopefully this one's better than the last two. Let's hope it doesn't spill over. I got it open. This is the mango one. Cheers. Ooh. This one's better. It's not so sweet, it's not so syrupy. Definitely my favorite from the drink so far. My least favorite one is the peach. Yeah, this one's my favorite. Strawberry. Cheers. That's disgusting. Well, it's not that bad. So 2 out of 4 drinks are good and 2 out of 4 drinks are bad. So yeah. So that's me trying food or snacks from the Asian market. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.